Isn't that amazing?
Chapter 1. Boost your career with AI, don't get left behind. Yo, what's up everyone? It's Dr. Sissy and we need to talk about AI, artificial intelligence. It's not just some futuristic sci-fi concept anymore, it's here, it's now, and it's transforming how we work, like, at an insane pace. Some people are freaking out thinking robots are coming for their jobs, but honestly, I'm hyped. This is a whole new frontier and those who learn to use it right, they're gonna have a serious edge. We're talking next level productivity, creativity, and job security. So in this video, we're diving deep into AI, how to use it to level up your career, what skills you need to master, and how to avoid getting left behind. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. AI is transforming the workplace faster than ever. Some say it's a threat to jobs, but what if I told you it could be your greatest career booster? Whether you're a marketer, a designer, a programmer, or just starting out, AI can help you work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. But only if you know how to use it right. In this video, we'll show you how to harness AI to supercharge your career, not lose it. Let's dive in. Chapter 2. The AI Opportunity. Alright, so first things first. Let's address the elephant in the room. The fear that AI is going to make your job obsolete. And yeah, some jobs will be automated. But the reality is, AI is more like a superpower than a supervillain. It's about working, not harder. Imagine AI taking over all those tedious, repetitive tasks that suck up your time. Data entry, scheduling, basic reports, stuff you shouldn't be doing, but let's be real. It drains your energy and creativity. Now imagine what you could do with all that free time. You could focus on the big picture, the strategic thinking, the creative problem solving, and innovation. The things that only humans can do. Think about it. Marketers can use AI to analyze data and personalize campaigns at a scale never seen before. Designers? They can generate hundreds of logo variations in minutes, freeing them up to refine and perfect the best ones. Programmers can use AI to write cleaner, more efficient code, eliminating bugs and boosting productivity. Here's the truth. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to empower you. It's about taking your skills to the next level and unlocking your true potential. AI isn't just about efficiency, it's about opportunity. It can help you explore new career paths, take on more challenging projects, and even start your own business. The question is, are you ready to evolve with it? Chapter 3. AI Skills You Need. Okay, so we're clear on the opportunity, but what about the skills? What do you actually need to know to thrive in this AI-powered world? Well, the first thing is learning to communicate with AI. Think of it like learning a new language, the language of prompts. Tools like ChatGPT, Google Bard, these are powerful AI models, but they need clear instructions. You gotta know how to ask the right questions to get the results you want. It's like, remember when you first started using a smartphone? You had to learn the gestures, the shortcuts, the way the interface worked. Same thing here. You gotta learn the ins and outs of these AI tools. And just like there are different types of smartphones, there are different AI tools for different jobs. Designers, you've got Midjourney, DALL-E, Canva AI, all generating incredible visuals. Programmers, GitHub Copilot is your new best friend, helping you write code faster and with fewer errors. Writers, check out Jasper or WriteSonic for content generation and copywriting assistance. The key here is to experiment. Don't be afraid to try different tools, different prompts. See what works best for you. The more you use them, the more intuitive they become, and the more you'll discover how they can amplify your existing skills. But wait, here's a tip. You can find tons of helpful AI prompts without spending a dime. Just search for Scribd in your search engine. In Scribd, search for AI prompts and download them for free. It's that simple. Chapter 4. Real-world examples. Now let's get down to brass tacks. You want to see how this AI thing is actually playing out in the real world? I got you. I've seen firsthand how AI is changing the game. Take Sarah, a freelance writer I know. She was struggling to keep up with deadlines, burning the midnight oil just to get by. Then she started using ChatGPT to help her brainstorm ideas, generate outlines, even draft articles. The result? Her output tripled, her writing got sharper, and she started landing bigger, better clients. Or take Mike, a small business owner who was drowning in customer service emails. He implemented an AI chatbot on his website, and bam! It started answering basic questions, resolving simple issues, freeing up hours of his time every single day. These are just two examples, but trust me, there are countless others. These aren't exceptions, they're proof that AI can be a game changer. From marketing teams using AI to personalize their campaigns and boost conversions, to financial analysts using AI to predict market trends with scary accuracy, it's happening everywhere. It's about understanding the potential, being open to learning, and adapting your workflow. AI can help you stand out in a competitive job market. Employers are looking for professionals who can leverage AI to drive results. Are you ready to be one of them? And let's not forget about entrepreneurship. AI can lower the barriers to starting your own business. From creating a business plan to designing a logo to managing finances, AI tools can help you get started faster and with fewer resources. For example, search in ScribeBD for AI prompts for entrepreneurs. The future is here, and it belongs to those who are ready to embrace it. Chapter 5. Avoiding the pitfalls. Now, before you run off and start replacing all your human interactions with AI, let's talk about the potential downsides. Because yeah, like any powerful tool, AI can be misused. One trap people fall into is becoming over-reliant on AI. It's easy to get caught up in the hype, to think that AI is a magic bullet that will solve all your problems. But here's the thing. AI is a tool, not a replacement for your own skills and judgment. If you're blindly using AI-generated content without reviewing or editing, you're gonna run into trouble. You might end up with inaccurate information, biased perspectives, or just plain boring generic content. And let's not forget about the ethical considerations. AI is trained on massive data sets, and if those data sets contain biases, the AI can perpetuate those biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. That's why it's crucial to use AI responsibly and ethically, always double-checking the output and making sure it aligns with your own values, with your company's policies, and with industry standards. Another common mistake is ignoring the human touch. AI can't replicate the nuances of human interaction, whether it's building a relationship with clients, understanding cultural sensitivities, or making judgment calls in complex situations. And finally, stay informed. AI is evolving rapidly, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Subscribe to this channel to keep learning, adapt to the latest advancements, and ensure you always stay ahead of the curve. Chapter 6. Future-proofing your career. So, how do you future-proof your career in this rapidly changing landscape? First, stay curious. Things are evolving fast, and the tools you use today might be outdated tomorrow. Take courses, attend webinars, and join our community where you can learn and share insights about AI. Second, prioritize human skills that AI can't replicate, like critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and creativity. Want to dig deeper? Watch our specific videos on these topics to learn more and gain a competitive edge. These are the skills that will keep you irreplaceable. For example, a project manager who can lead teams with empathy, or a teacher who can inspire students with creativity. Follow industry leaders, whatever it takes to stay ahead of the curve. And finally, be proactive. Don't wait for AI to disrupt your career, take control of it. Start experimenting with AI tools today, and think about how you can integrate them into your work. Need help? Ask questions in the comments below. We are happy to help you. You are not alone. Remember, AI can help you analyze data, but it can't tell you what that data means or how to use it strategically. AI can generate content, but it can't replicate your unique voice, your perspective, or your ability to connect with other humans on an emotional level. So, yeah, the future is here and it's powered by AI, but it's not about humans versus machines. It's about humans and machines working together to create something even greater than we could alone. The sooner you start using AI tools, the more prepared you'll be for the future. Chapter 7. The future is now. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy, it's our present reality. It's reshaping industries, redefining jobs, and presenting us with a choice: resist or adapt. By embracing AI, learning its strength, adapting how to use it, and staying true to your unique skills, you can boost your career, not lose it. Start experimenting with the AI tools we've mentioned. Explore their potential and discover how they can enhance your work, boost your productivity, and give you a competitive edge. Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. AI is here to stay, and it's up to you to decide how it impacts your career. Keep in mind, the best way to learn is by doing. So what's your first step? Start exploring easy AI tools like ChatGPT today. If you need help, ask your questions in the comments below. We're here to guide you. You're not alone on this exciting journey. Thank you for watching. By sharing our videos, you're not just a viewer, you're an activist, a vital part of our movement to create a future where humans and AI coexist peacefully. Together, we can shape a world where technology empowers us, not threatens us. Explore our playlist for more insights to stay ahead of the curve, and I'm excited to catch you in the next video. See you soon.
Isn't that amazing?